I've already done a review on these earbuds, but I wasn't sure what these little rubber things actually done. And one of my viewers has put a message in the actual chat of the video that I've done a review on and says he thinks I put them upside down. So it's round the wrong way. And the idea behind them is to make it a tighter fit in your ears. So we are going to try it out. So basically, they should be like that. Does that make sense? Like I said, I didn't have nothing in the instructions on how to do these or what they was actually for. So basically, you stick it in like that, wrap it around, make sure it's a nice tight fit, like so. I think that's about it. The hole's in line, see that? Yeah, makes sense. And then plonk it in your ears. Like so. And yeah, definitely tighter in that ear. It feels a little bit loose still in this ear. But overall, yeah, you're probably right. See that? Definitely better. Let me know in the comments what you think, whether you think this is right or whether it's wrong or not. So with that, if you like this short little video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.